one of the fossil fuel which is obtained during the extraction of petroleum is natural gas. It is a very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. Now, natural gas is normally called the compressed natural gas. It is stored under high pressure, that is why it is called CNG. It is used for power generation. It is now being used as a fuel for transport because it is less polluting and it is a clean fuel. So CNG is the commonly used hydrocarbon which is used to produce energy. The natural gas is present, as you have read, in the extraction or refining of petroleum, that natural gas is found along with petroleum. So when petroleum is extracted, natural gas also comes out. The great advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories. This means you don't have to process it, you don't have to purify. This gas comes out and it can be burnt directly, and it is supplied through pipes because it is just compressed and it cannot be liquefied, so it is directly sent in the form of a gas through pipes. This network of pipe is mostly seen in the places where it is found. So the coastal areas like Gujarat, there the natural gas is obtained which is sent directly to the houses, and it is preferred because it is a clean fuel. It is used in vehicles also because it gives out carbon dioxide and water vapor when it burns. So both of carbon dioxide and water vapor are non-polluting fuels. The natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. Starting material means that when extraction of natural gas is done, it is used to prepare different materials. Now, materials and chemicals and fertilizers like urea and superphosphate, their natural gas is used. It is used so as to produce carbon. So natural gas is a hydrocarbon, so it is used to produce carbon and it is used in making chemicals. And natural gas is also, it contains carbon and hydrogen, so both the components are used to prepare fertilizers. India has vast reserves of natural gas. It is found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in the Krishna Godavari basin because these areas have got, it is believed that these are the areas where where petroleum was largely found, and these are the areas where there was water and the sea. And as you know that the petroleum was formed during the medieval and the ancient times, millions of years ago. So these areas, when we extract oil, then along with the oil natural gas also comes out. So that is the main point about natural gas. It is a clean fuel, and on burning it gives out carbon dioxide and water vapor, which are both non-polluting.